You're about to build 3 live automations, lead capture, invoice emails, and Slack alerts, from scratch. No fluff, no theory, just working workflows you can steal today. If you're a freelancer or small business owner drowning in repetitive tasks, copying leads into spreadsheets, chasing invoices, missing messages, this is for you. We're covering the full Make.com toolkit, modules, routers, filters, error handlers, and we're connecting it to Typeform, Airtable, Notion, Stripe, and OpenAI. By the end, you'll have 3 automations running live. Let's get into it. Right, here's the canvas. Every automation, called a scenario, is built from modules. Click the big plus in the middle to add your first one. Search webhooks and select Custom Webhook. Click Add, then copy the webhook URL. Save that somewhere. This is your trigger. Now click the plus that appears on the right of the webhook module. Search Google Sheets and pick Add a Row. Click Connect, sign into your Google account, grant permissions. Here's the bit people mess up. You've got to map your data fields manually. Click inside the Values row fields and you'll see a data panel appear on the left showing everything your webhook received. Drag those fields across. Dead easy once you see it. Now let's make this real. Head to Typeform, links in the description. Build a quick contact form with name, email, and company fields. Back in Make, delete the generic webhook and add a Typeform trigger instead. Click the plus again, search Typeform. Select Watch Responses. Click Connect, paste in your Typeform API key. Find that under your Typeform account settings. Select your form from the drop-down. Now connect Google Sheets as the next module. Map name to column A, email to column B, company to column C. Click Run once, submit your Typeform, and watch Make catch the response in real time. That's it. Seriously, that's all it takes. Every new lead lands in your sheet automatically. Trust me, this saves hours. This one's brilliant for freelancers. Start a new scenario. Add a Typeform or Airtable trigger. Airtable links below. Watching for a new invoice record. Now here's where routers come in. Click the plus after your trigger and search router. A router splits your scenario into separate paths. On path 1, add a Gmail module. Select Send an email. Set to as the mapped client email field, subject as Your invoice is ready, and paste your invoice template into the body field. Map the invoice number and amount dynamically from your trigger data. On path 2, add a Google Sheets module to log the sent invoice. Click the wrench icon on each path to add a filter. Set path 1 to only run when status equals send. Run it, test it. Your client gets the email, your sheet gets updated. Done. Last one, and this one keeps you in the loop instantly. New scenario, add a Typeform trigger, same as before, add a Slack module, search Slack, pick Create a Message. Connect your Slack workspace, pick the channel, and in the text field write something like New lead, a name from the company, email. Map those variables from your trigger data. Now, here's the bit people skip. Right-click your Slack module and click Add Error Handler. Choose Resume and add a Gmail fallback that emails you instead if Slack fails. That's professional-grade automation right there. Grab Make.com free via the link in the description, sign up, and build this yourself today. The link to Make.com is in the description. It's free to start, and the scenario templates from this video are there too. If this saved you some time, smash the like button. Subscribe for weekly automation tutorials built for small businesses. See you in the next one.